Hi friends, exactly a year ago I started this YouTube channel and today thanks to you all we are a community of 3000 plus and still growing. Now I like to make videos but it is you who make it worth going and keep me inspired with your like, comment, subscription, sharing with your friend and family who have been thinking of coming to Canada and seeking right information. So a big thank you to all of you. Today's video is dedicated to all of you. I will be sharing everything about this channel on how it started, how do I edit my videos, what challenges I have while making videos, what equipment I use, is my YouTube channel monetized, how much do I earn money from YouTube, and how you all inspire me to keep going and bringing you relevant content. So thank you for the unflinching and unconditional support you all have been giving me. And if you are a new YouTuber, you will have wealth of information on what to do and what not to do when you're starting your YouTube channel. So do watch till the end without missing anything. Friends, my life was very predictable. A good job, decent salary, a great social circle. But there was something missing in life, a kick in life. And to find that, my wife and I, we decided to move to Canada. And after moving to Canada, we realized that there are many unknown as a new immigrant. There are many challenges, there are many learning. And I love to do a lot of jugaad. So I started to make this as a journal. And then I thought, why don't I make video and make it available for new immigrant so that they have something tried and tested. They don't have to reinvent the wheel. And then I said, I will make a YouTube video. Now, between thinking to make YouTube video and actual video, I took more than 6 to 7 months. Why? Because I did not know how to upload a video on YouTube, how to edit, what software to use, and how do I communicate with all of you. But more than this, the biggest wall I had created was that I wanted to present you a perfect video. Now, when I look back, I have posted more than 60 plus videos, and when I look at my second video, it is better than the first, the third better than the second, and the fourth better than the third. So if you are starting new as a YouTuber, the tip is that go and upload it. Don't wait for a perfect moment. There are learnings. Every time I would make a mistake, I would learn the technical aspect. But throughout this journey, one thing I did not compromise was to bring you information as accurate as possible with lot of research going in so that you find the information the way you want. And I kept consistency, at least posting one video every week, and then we had an engagement through dialogue. How? I would ask question, you would respond. You would ask question and I definitely respond. Every comment you have given, I have replied to that. Every like makes my day. And that is what keeps me driving to bring relevant content to you in the most appropriate manner. Well, I uploaded my first YouTube video in October 2019. And here I shared my personal experience of doing the entire express entry process without any consultant. Just looking at the government website, finding the relevant information and how I understood the entire system, and I presented that experience of mine along with every single money I spent on the process. And when you all came back and said that Gopi, it was so fantastic to know that it is such an easy process. I was a fool that I always thought that it needs to be handled by expert. The system is so fair, so transparent, and I tell you again, it is one of the most transparent system. Everything is given by government. All you need to do is just go read and follow it. If I can do it, anyone can do that. And when you all come back and give me the feedback of how you have learned, how you have gained information, and how you felt confident of doing this on your own, that is what keeps me going. Also, many of you liked my Indian jugaad of getting the luggage instead of in a suitcase in a very unconventional cardboard box method. And here I showed you how I saved almost 20 kg and money without giving any single money to the airlines, and how conveniently for next 6 months when we were staying in temporary accommodation, we were able to manage with these carton boxes. In addition, the video on how we managed our expense, the initial one in less than $1,000, that was also liked by you all. And the strategy what I had when I was preparing for IELTS exam. I have poured every single thing what I learned so that it becomes easier for you. And there are many more interesting video which you all came back and said was a very great insight. Thank you for that. Your feedback matters. Why Canada tried and tested? Here in this YouTube video, whatever content I bring are the content which I have personally tried and tested, so that I am confident and you are confident. And I said there is no better name than Canada tried and tested. Now, when I first uploaded my videos, I took about 15 days for it to be recorded, edited, and uploading it onto the YouTube. I was figuring out what software to use and many other technical aspects, but it was a great learning. When I uploaded, very enthusiastically I shared with all of you, and within a day I had 300 plus views and about 15 subscribers, and I was on cloud 9. And I knew that I will keep getting support from you as I keep bringing relevant information to you. How do I record my videos? Well, when I started, I was very minimalistic. I did not invest in any new infrastructure. I did not want to be a one video wonder and invest in equipment and not use it later. So I started with a very basic phone what I had, that is Redmi Note, and this phone. And slowly, gradually, after 60 videos, now when I know that I'm going to consistently do, I have invested in this camera. Now, this will ensure that you get a clearer picture and better experience. And for my phone, I did a lot of improvisation. I did not have a tripod. Now I have a tripod. But before, I used to stack up books. I would keep bucket like this, and I would also use carton box. So whatever I could lay hand on, I would use. And then I invested on this mobile holder. And how did I use it? Like this. I used my lampshade as a makeshift tripod. And this you can also do at home. Now I recorded all my videos for first 60 plus with this method. And now that I have tripod, it gives me a lot more flexibility, and I know that now what I have invested, I'm going to use. Also, I improvised my suitcase trolley into dolly so that you get a little cinematic experience. Again, this was completely Indian jugaad and I learned it. You can also try. Now, I also later on invested in this gimbal stabilizer, and this gimbal has helped me to keep my mobile camera more stable when I am shooting outdoors and not in a static mode. Okay, now coming to audio. Here, you all gave me feedback very initially, and I knew that you can compromise little on video quality when you're getting the right information, but audio has to be crystal clear. Now again here, I went with a very cheap lavalier mic, and that did not work. That did not improve the experience what you were getting. So I invested on this Boya mic, which is a basic lavalier, and this is one of the best in market in entry level. If you're starting a YouTube, this is a must have at least to start with. And in my case, as I will keep making more videos, I will keep upgrading the infrastructure one by one. I will go for a better mic so that it gives me flexibility when I go outdoors to shoot and I don't have to carry too many wires. Now, for the mic also, I did a improvisation, the Indian jugaad. What I would do is I would keep my mobile, the recording one, on a static so-called tripod, and then I would have the other mobile in my pocket, which would be wired to my headphone with a mic. Now, since there was a distance, and if I did not have this mechanism, the audio quality would be very poor. It helped me to get little better, but then I realized that this will not work in long run. So you can also try this out. It is effective and it is better than not having any mic. Now, lighting. I completely relied on natural light what was coming into the apartment. Most of my video recording is static, and whatever would be outdoor, again I would depend on natural light. Now this limited my flexibility. If I wanted to record at night, it was limiting. I was not able to record. And one of my apartment mate came to the rescue when he gifted me this lampshade. And this is something which I use now frequently. And then I also invested a little amount in buying this lamp. This is very flexible. It can be fitted anywhere and it works like a charm. So I use these two lighting, and as I make videos, I will keep upgrading. Right now, this works for me. Softwares that I use to edit my YouTube videos, well, I tried my hand at various software. DaVinci, Filmora, iMovie is a great tool to start with. Then Premiere Pro. Now, there are many of these softwares which give 1 month free trial. I use them, and I recommend you must also try your hand and find which one suits you the most. Now, I'm sharing the link below so that you can go and check those. Now, coming to monetization. Well, YouTube says if you have minimum 1000 subscribers and 4000 hour of watch time, then the videos can be monetized. Now, it took about 7 months for me to gain subscription, gain your confidence slowly but steadily. And it took another 1 month for me to complete the 4000 hours. After which YouTube did an audit and my videos are now monetized, which means that YouTube plays ad and based on that I get revenue. How much it is? Well, it is very negligible in front of the effort and time I invest, but I get compensated. How? Well, your support, your comments, and your motivation keeps me going with video after video. And thank you again for that. And as Bhagavad Gita says, do your duty, don't worry about the fruit. I just keep doing my duty of bringing content to you. In year 2, I promise to bring you better content, better experience. And for that, I need your support, which I'm sure you will be doing that with your comment, feedback, and you'll be partnering me in helping me to bring you the right content. So guys, this has been our YouTube journey in last 1 year. Without you, I'm nothing. It is because of you wonderful people, your like, your comment, your subscription, you sharing the content with pride with your friends and family that we have grown into such a community. Thank you guys for that. And if you are a new YouTuber, just go ahead and publish your video. Your video will keep getting better one after the other. And thank you very much for watching Canada Tried and Tested.